The new Texas Giant. As the first ever RMC hybrid coaster in the world, the new Texas Giant holds a special place for all roller coaster enthusiasts. Its infamous Gerstlauer restraints also offer a unique RMC experience that feels freer than RMC's self-designed trains. But how good is the new Texas Giant? And how does it compare to other roller coasters? Find out in this review. Looking at the new Texas Giant, this looks like my dream RMC coaster. A solid looking first drop, twists and turns with no huge elements, but the hopeful promise of RMC airtime and overbank turns. Walking up to this coaster, I was truly in awe that, especially since I love RMC's smaller elements, this might be a truly special roller coaster and my overall favorite RMC. Unlike the Iron Rattler and later RMCs, the pre-lift on this coaster is just a quick turnaround. Nothing special. As with most of the theming at Six Flags Over Texas, the view from the chain lift isn't great either, as there just isn't that much around the new Texas Giant to look at. Quickly though, you're thrown over the first drop, which is truly magical. I wasn't super impressed the first time I rode the Iron Rattler and experienced its drop. This drop might not be the best ever, but I came away from the new Texas Giant being truly impressed with the size and power of this wonderful first drop. Then I settled in for the rest of the ride, which I figured would be fantastic. But for some reason, it wasn't. At all. Being the first RMC, the airtime hills are not nearly as powerful as later versions. Even the Iron Rattler, which was the next hybrid coaster built by RMC, has truly special bunny hills over bank turns. So I was left disappointed that most of the new Texas Giant's layout was just bobbing up and down with a significant amount of roller coaster thrills missing. If that's all this coaster offered, with the quality of its first drop, it would still be a decent coaster. But the bobbing up and down here made me feel really sick. RMC coasters may be wild, but they are generally incredibly smooth, allowing for great re-rideability, and a relatively low chance that you'll come off with a headache. But something was just off with the new Texas Giant on my rides. After this miserable experience, I went to ride other roller coasters, particularly Batman the Ride, which I really don't like, and the Joker, both of which made me feel less sick, as surprising as that may sound. After recuperating, I rode the new Texas Giant later in the day. This time waiting 15 minutes in line, yeah, it wasn't that bad. Only to experience a similar, though slightly less, level of sickness. So, overall, how good is the new Texas Giant? I likely got horrible rides on this coaster for some reason, or otherwise was just not in a proper state to ride. But, excluding the first drop, this is one of the worst roller coasters that I've ever been on. Its first drop is great though. So I ended up placing it between two lesser Fun Spot family coasters. Right below Freedom Flyer and its magically freeing restraints, and above Screaming Eagle and its nice drops. What are your thoughts on this historic RMC coaster? Have you hopefully had better rides on it than I have? If there's any reason you can think of why I got such a bad feeling on this ride, please let me know, because I really do want to love this coaster. And, as always, Coon Crap.